Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Pod English for Everyone. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy you're here with me today.
If this is your first time listening, welcome. And if you are coming back, welcome back. Take a moment, breathe in, and relax. This is your time to learn English slowly, naturally, and with confidence. No pressure, no stress, just real English for real life. Today, we are going to focus on something very important, the basics of English. Simple words, simple sentences, but powerful. Because when your basics are strong, everything becomes easier. Speaking, listening, understanding, everything. So today, we will learn together, step by step, like a real conversation. And remember, you can pause, repeat, and take your time. Let's begin with the first step of communication. Introducing yourself. When you meet someone, you can say, "Hello, my name is Sarah," or "I'm Sarah." Both are correct. "I'm Sarah" is more natural in conversation. Now, your turn. Say it slowly. "I'm..." Pause. Good. Now, let's ask the question. What's your name? Listen again. What's your name? You can also say, "May I know your name?" But this is more formal. So for daily English, use, "What's your name?" Good. Now, let's continue. Talking about where you are from. You can say, "I'm from France." "I'm from Germany." "I'm from Brazil." Simple, clear, effective. Now, ask the question, "Where are you from?" Pause. "Where are you from?" Great. Now, let's add something more personal. Talking about your job. You can say, "I work as a teacher." "I work in marketing." "I'm a student." "I'm a video editor." Short sentences are perfect. To ask, "What do you do?" or "What do you do for a living?" Both are common. Now, let's move to something very important. The foundation of English. The verb to be. Listen carefully. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Now repeat. Slowly, I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, they are. Good. Let's use it in real sentences. I am happy. I am tired. You are ready. She is busy. They are late. Very useful in daily life. Now, another important verb. The verb to have. I have, you have, he has, she has, we have, they have. Listen again. He has, she has, not have, but has. Now, examples. I have a coffee. I have time. She has a car. He has a question. Simple. Now, let's combine what we learned. I'm Sarah. I'm from France. I'm a teacher. I have a question. You see, you can already speak. Now, let's practice a small conversation. Imagine you meet someone. You say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name?" They answer, "My name is John." You say, "Nice to meet you." Very important expression. Nice to meet you. Then, "Where are you from?" They answer, "I'm from Canada." You say, "Oh, nice." That's it. Simple conversation. Now, let's go deeper into daily situations. At a coffee shop, you walk in, you smile, and you say, "Hello. Can I have a coffee, please?" Polite, simple. If you want something else, "Can I have a sandwich, please?" "Can I have some water, please?" Always add, "please." Now, if you don't understand, this is very important. You can say, "Sorry," or "Can you repeat, please?" or "Can you speak slowly, please?" Never be afraid to ask. Now, let's talk about something important. Understanding versus speaking. Many learners say, "I understand, but I can't speak." This is normal, because understanding is passive. Speaking is active. To speak, you need practice. Small practice, every day. Speak alone, speak out loud, repeat sentences, copy what you hear. This is how you improve. Now, let's learn useful daily expressions. How are you? You can answer, "I'm good." "I'm fine." "I'm tired." "I'm great." Now ask, "How are you?" Pause. Good. Another one. "What are you doing?" Answer, "I'm working." "I'm eating." "I'm learning English." Very useful. Now, let's talk about time. What time is it? Answer, it's 3 p.m. It's 10 in the morning. Simple. Now, let's talk about confidence. Many people think, my English is bad. I'm not ready. I will make mistakes. But listen carefully. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is progress. Every sentence is a step forward. You don't need perfect English. You need real English. Simple, clear, natural. Now, let's do a small practice together. Repeat after me. I can speak English. Pause. I am learning every day. Pause. I am getting better. Pause. Good. Now, let's build longer sentences. I am learning English every day. I have time to practice. I am not afraid to speak. Very powerful. Now, let's imagine another situation. Meeting a friend. Hey, how are you? I'm good, and you? I'm good. What are you doing? I'm working. Simple conversation. Now, let's go one step further. Add emotion. I'm really happy. I'm a little tired. I'm very excited. English becomes more human. Now, before we finish, let's review everything. Introducing yourself. My name is... I'm asking questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Basic verbs. I am, I have, daily expressions. How are you? Can I have, please? Can you repeat, please? You now have a strong base. Use it every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Consistency is the key. Before I go, I want to tell you something important. You are doing something amazing. You are learning a new language. You are opening new doors, new opportunities, new connections, and step by step, you will succeed. Trust the process. Stay patient. Stay consistent. And most importantly, enjoy it.
Hey, thanks for being here.
If you like this episode, drop a comment and tell us what you want next.
New episodes every week. Don't miss the next one.
Hit subscribe, turn on notification.
And keep improving your English. See you next time.